Today I'm going to show you the AliExpress VIP method in order to find stores to add to Shop Hunter. So the thing is, with the VIP method, a lot of suppliers on AliExpress create special listings where they can have orders pushed through for drop shippers, and they are publicly available. All you have to do is type VIP in the search field on AliExpress and you can find them here. It's quite simple to get an idea of what they are selling, even if they are trying to hide the product. Let me show you an example. If I click on this one that has 50 items sold, you see they're not really showing what the product is. However, if we click top selling, we can see that they are selling smartwatches. Very interesting. Now, this isn't a product that I would necessarily sell, just because I try to stay away from electronics, because electronics can be quite complex, and when troubleshooting, you just never know. So I would go and look at some of the other products here, and we'll click top selling again on this one. And look, here we have a dental water flosser. This looks like a very interesting product to me, and it has a lot of sales. So the next thing that I would do is we could either reverse image search this image, which I'll show you how we can do that, or we could just go to Google and type in portable dental water flosser, just to keep it simple. Now, we're going to come across a lot of different stores. So what we're going to do next is we're going to open them up and get ready to track them in Shop Hunter. Usually I'll do like the first 5 or 6. So let's grab the URL, click add store. And if it's not a Shopify store, that's okay. We're just going to go to the next. Again, when we are adding stores, we're always going to want to create tags for them. So this one we will call the teeth niche. So I'll go in here, I'm going to tag this store. And I don't know if this will be Shopify, but we could try it. Let's see. Surprisingly enough, it is. So put our teeth. And then let's keep moving. See here. This kind of looks like a very general type store. So I'm going to skip it. I want to find stores that are specific for this niche. Let's see here, my smile teeth. Let's add this one. Not a Shopify store. All right. Let's see. Let's add that one. Oh, we already added that one. That's why it's always good to close them after you've added them. So let's do quip. And then hexocare. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the top selling products, and that's going to give us an idea of a trail that we can go down next. So say that we started off of a VIP link, but maybe we're going to do teeth, maybe we're not, maybe we'll end up doing health. I could see that these shoes and this posture corrector are quite popular on the site. So if I take one of the top products from here and we go back to Google, we will be able to find more stores to track. Now, you could also go back here and look at other products from the VIP link, but what I like to do is kind of go down a rabbit hole. And so we will just find other products from the top products here, even if they're not the very, very top, and we will search them in Google, and we will track the other stores that are advertising in Google. Because if a store is advertising in Google, we know that there's a high chance that they are making money, because why would you spend money if you're not making money? So let's check out the next few stores here. Let's continue to add these in. I'm still going to put it under teeth, even though maybe we should have categorized this health. So my teeth section will actually be my health section. I just don't want to go back and change all the other tags. So let's do upright. This product looks a little bit more custom. Again, we're adding it to our tag. Okay, let's close this one out. Posture corrector. Now, if you see gaps like this, you just need more time to track it. So don't worry, it's not a big deal. Let's find posture pump. Now, as you're adding stores and you get data, you can see that there are all sorts of other products that you can Google and then find more stores with. For example, a dual disc hydrator. Wow, the store is very unique. Deluxe full spine. Yeah, super branded. Let's check out our last one. See our body. Awesome. Now again, after we're done adding our stores, we could always click on My Shop and then go to the tag filter. Select the tag that you filtered, all of the stores that you just added. And here you can sort them, check in on them tomorrow to find what products are doing really well, and then maybe find some products that you can add to your store and create a brand around. If you have any questions on any of these types of methods, feel free to hit us up in our Discord channel, and we'll be happy to show you how to find more stores. And also check out some of our other tutorials. We go in how to find stores with Amazon Movers and Shakers, TikTok, Instagram, and more. So there is a huge resource if you're having a hard time finding stores to add. Thank you again, and we will talk in other tutorials.